my friends all over the world. Are you getting bored from eating international food? You tried many kinds of food because you cook every day at home? All of us staying at home now because the coronavirus quarantine. So if you are seeing this video maybe months later, you know that we are in this period, are staying at home, eating everything prepared at home, homemade food. So now you have to get many ideas about many different foods to avoid getting bored eating same kind of food every day. Do you heard about koshary before? It's very delicious and healthy meal and has all the healthy ingredients. If you have been traveled to Egypt, you must eat koshary because no one coming to Egypt without trying koshary. Most Egyptian popular food in Egypt. Maybe most of you want to eat it. If you have Egyptian friend, maybe told you about it, heard about it before in your country from a friend, from media. I will show you today how to make it at home in a very easy sample steps. If you come to my channel so you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell and leave your comment below in the video. Now we are going to prepare the most delicious popular meal in Egypt. Let's go! First thing, you will put white chickpeas in water with cumin. When you want to cook, it will come soft easily because it takes some cooking time. We have now the onion rings mixed with corn flour and salt and the other shape of onion. And you put also the lentil in water with cumin to avoid the stomach problems after you eat the koshary. So this all what you need to prepare the koshary. You need this kind of pasta and this one vermicelli, spaghetti pasta and fresh tomato sauce and this one and also tomato paste. It depends on you if you want to use all fresh tomato juice. I like this one to put the color, to give you good color. And also we prepared, I show you how to prepare the onion like this shape, and the onion rings we put corn flour and salt. You mix all together and we need only spices, cumin, salt and black pepper. The green lentil, if you have, maybe other countries they have black lentil. Both are working for the green lentil or black lentil, and this one white chickpeas. You will find all the recipe in video description. Let's start now. We will use olive oil and put some of the onion. We cut it with this shape. Not all. You will leave some to make the tomato sauce, so you will not use all of this onion to cook the lentil and rice together. And 2 or 3 cups of normal Egyptian rice you wash. We will cook with the lentil. This kind of green lentil, it doesn't take time for cooking. So we will put rice and green lentil together. If you use the other kind of lentil, black lentil, so you have to put first and leave around 10 minutes before you put the rice. The other kind of lentil takes more time than this one we use. This green lentil you will find in any country, it's easy to find. That's why I use this one today for the video. The other lentil type, black lentil, maybe you didn't find in all countries. You mix all together with the onion and put your spices. The only 3 spices we will use: salt, black pepper and the hero Arabic spicy cumin. Mix the lentil with rice and spices and onion together and leave around 20 minutes with low fire. It's only this amount. We will put in the water, split into two. Oh, that's strong. And put in the water. And put also some salt, vegetarian oil to avoid sticky pasta. And I will put in the other pan also the other kind of pasta, the small one. Now we will put the white chickpeas in boiled water and put a little bit salt and cumin also. Mix all together. So what we have now, we have 4 pans, and we have the white chickpeas to get it cooked, spaghetti pasta, and the other kind of pasta, small one, and rice with green lentil, mix it with onion and spices, salt, black pepper, and Arabic spicy cumin. Pasta now is ready. We removed it from boiled water, and I put both kinds together, no problem. We have now the green lentil with rice and the white chickpeas. I think we need to put some boiled water, not too much, a little, and mix all together and leave it to get cooked. So what we have now, we had vermicelli, we didn't make till now, and the tomato sauce for the koshary and the onion rings. So I need to make some garlic. Now we finished the garlic and we are going to make the tomato sauce for the koshary. Let's go. To make the tomato sauce for the koshary, we need olive oil and put the rest of the onion we left. Put your spices, salt, black pepper, and cumin. And mix all together. Leave around 2 minutes, and then we will put the tomato sauce. I will give you all the secrets to get a tasty koshary. We will put the fresh tomato sauce we make, and also we will put the tomato paste and some garlic. I will put all, and we will make some extra for the water we will make for the koshary. It's called da'a. Mix all together, then leave from 10 to 20 minutes. You can try the taste now if it's get cooked or not. We need to put some little boiled water. Little. This water will help you to get the rice and lentil cooked fast, but don't put too much. If you put too much, the result will not be good, so let them water time by time. Now I will try the white chickpeas, if it's get cooked or not. It needs maybe more 10 minutes. Now the white chickpeas is well done, so we will remove from the water and we'll keep it for later use. And to get tasty sauce, tomato sauce, we will put chopped tomatoes also. It's very tasty. So tomato sauce, we put fresh sauce, tomato paste, and tomato chops. See? Now we will cook the vermicelli in the oil, and don't put too much oil. I only used little amount of oil. Some olive oil. And this one is special for cooking. We fry now the vermicelli to get little bit dark color. Not dark color, we will not burn it. Only little dark color. Now I'm going to fry the onion rings. I will use normal oil, vegetarian oil. Put small amounts, not all together, to get it crunchy and non-sticky. And try slowly to separate all onion rings to make sure you fry it in a good way. Now the vermicelli getting dark. You can remove now, but wait till this part getting the same color. And now we will use this baking paper. Prepare 2 plates for baking paper to put the vermicelli on a plate, and the other plate we will put the onion rings. Put some boiled vinegar. Wow! For the vermicelli, so good cook and small. And we will check now for the onion rings. You see now the onion rings become crunchy because we put corn flour, and you can put on the baked paper. Now the rice with green lentil is cooked and well done. Now the vermicelli is cooked now, so we can remove and put on baking paper. Tomato sauce is ready now, and you have to put white vinegar on it. It gives a so good taste to this tomato sauce for the Kushari. It's very important to put garlic and white vinegar to the tomato sauce. One of the secrets to have good Kushari taste. So now we have white chickpeas cooked, vermicelli cooked, pasta cooked, and I mix it both together. And also the onion ring with green lentil cooked, and the tomato sauce cooked. All items now is ready. Last items we have to prepare it, because this one the secret taste for the restaurant. We have now garlic, tomato, and green chili. And last thing you will put white vinegar, too much white vinegar. So it coming like this. I will put more little, and cumin, salt, and black pepper. See? We use this one for Koshari topping. This is a secret for the restaurant. Now everything is prepared, but wait, to make a Koshari plate, you have a strategy. Let's come and see. This is the most important thing to prepare the Koshari platter. We will put first cooked rice with green lentil. Then we will put the pasta, the 2 kinds of pasta together. It's up to you if you want too much pasta or a little bit. Then we will put the vermicelli, the tomato sauce, white chickpeas, sauce we make for topping. As you see, you can now cook Egyptian koshari at home. I hope you enjoyed cooking koshari with me today, and I hope all of you can cook it at home. Now you know more about Egyptian food. Maybe later I can make videos for cooking Egyptian food. If you make the koshari at home, just take a photo and send me to my Instagram. You will find my Instagram link in video description. See you next video where we don't know. Bye bye.